Say, don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow has its cares of its own. Tomorrow, that's God's job. So watch this. The outcome, that's whose? God's job. Them changing, that's who? God's job. How much this is going to grow, that's who? God's job. The impact of this, whose is it? God's job. You're stressed because you're trying to handle God's. That's why you're forcing it, because you're trying to control God's job. You don't realize what I'm doing now, but later you will understand.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒹𝒾𝒃, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. If you're new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's video, I wanted to do something a little different. So I did get this wig today that's in the video from Whatnot. If you ain't heard of Whatnot, baby, I need you to be from under that rock and get with the program, okay? So pretty much today's video is really not about like where you get the wig from, but it is about a hairstyle. So this is a human bob wig. I believe it's 8 to 10 inches. Oh, actually it says 8 on the back, my bad. But anyway, this is an 8-inch wig and it is brown. So if you have a unit like this, good, but if you don't, go to the description box. I will have a link to a wig similar to this one. Like I stated before, I wanted to do something different. So with that being said, I went in my hairband and I found some tracks. This is some human tracks that I got from the beauty supply hair store a while back, but your girl is going to use them today. Even though they really don't match, I'm going to make it match, okay?